All right, everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers out here in Green Valley. This right here, this front of this home was piered by another contractor that's been bought out by somebody else. But I want to point out how they don't saw cut nothing, and homeowner had problems with them. I had to wait to start the job so they could finish their work. And anyway, we have finally finished up the 8-pier job here, raising and stabilizing the back side of this house, north side. I can't get in there because of the dogs. I don't want to upset the dogs, and that one there looks pretty mean. I don't know. I don't think he's mean. Can you say hi? Come here and bite my hand. What? That's a good boy. It's a good boy. What? Anyway, we'll be back tomorrow to clean up this dirt. We've got a dumpster going to be delivered here first thing tomorrow morning, and my amigos will get everything backfilled. We're going to put Petromat filter fabric down for them where that decorative rock goes. Do an extra quality job for my friend Melissa and her husband. Great people. King Piers, Green Valley, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.